snowstorm! Snowstorm!
Wait, what day is it again? March what? That's what I thought.
March 12th.
And we're getting snow. It's negative 10 degrees out pretty much.
How much snow did it say we were supposed to get?
5 to 9 inches or something.
5 to 9 inches. I hope it's 5 and not 9. There's a big difference between 5 inches and 9 inches of snow.
But at least we got our root beer.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we went and got these root beers at
They're
Menards.
really good.
Oh my gosh, they were only $1. They were really excellent. I love them. And they're a 16-ounce drink too, not just a 12.
Tell
That
them
extra few ounces.
about our toilet seat that we got.
Oh my gosh, we got this new toilet seat today. Our toilet seat at home just cracked in half. I don't know. Someone sat on it and cracked it. Okay, it was me. Whatever. So anyway, we bought this new toilet seat, and it's got a nightlight built into it. So when you lift the lid up, the nightlight shoots down at the toilet seat, so that Nathan doesn't miss anymore, and we're not cleaning up after him. Or Emma.
Oh my gosh.
So we'll show you that when we get the toilet seat installed back at home. It'll be pretty awesome. I don't know, it's starting to come down pretty hard though.
No school tomorrow.
There may not be school tomorrow. If we really get 5 to 9 inches, there probably won't be school. Because it's already 4:30 in the afternoon. This guy turning off. Slow and steady. Wins the... Ooh, it's slick.
Yeah, it was getting slippery out when we went to Menards. Oh.
I love it. There was no snow on the ground when we left. Nothing
Yeah.
at all.
Nothing.
Just turned into a wintry day in the middle of March. I hate March snowstorms too because the snow is always so wet that it's hard to snow blow. It doesn't just blow out of the snow blower because it's thick and wet.
No one likes Monday, and I can't stop it from coming, but I can make it go a little faster. 3 hours of non-stop. Just that. Tomorrow morning, starting at 9 with anyone else.
Probably a bunch of farmers saying, "Oh, yep, we'll be in the ground next week."
Oh my gosh. It's bad.
Wipers on. It is getting bad out.
It's supposed to get worse overnight. That's when it's supposed to like heavy snow.
Yeah, it's
Intensify during
yes,
night.
it's supposed to intensify.
Unfortunately, we just made a trip to Fort Dodge to buy some soccer things.
Yeah, we got some good outfits for soccer, but we did not score any new soccer shoes or
They
shin
didn't have
guards.
any. They literally did not have any.
I don't know if no one wanted to order till after this snowstorm or what, but
It sucked. There weren't any like cool ones either that they had. Just plain like colors.
yeah. We'll keep our eye out. We gotta get you. I kind of want to get you some cool like the blue and gold,
Mm-hmm.
or at least blue and white,
Yeah.
because that'll at least go with
Some of the matches.
the school colors are blue and gold. So it'd be nice to find some blue and gold ones. Maybe we'll check on Amazon when we get home and. Because everything's on Amazon, right?
Corn. Wait, is this a cornfield?
Yes, that is a cornfield.
Have you heard the song? Corn. Look at tree. Corn. Something river. That's the Iowa song.
I've never heard of that.
We had to listen to it in 7th grade language. Wait, no, not 7th, sorry. 8th grade, Mrs. Gurgit's. I forgot.
No, I hadn't heard that.
Your tree's gone.
Oh man, it's like they burned it.
Yeah. It's like inside and out. Like,
That's nuts. Like caught on fire. Oh.
way to go, Dad. What was that? What's the goofy laugh?
That's goofy, isn't it?
Gosh.
Gosh.
We were listening.
Gosh.
We were in the band room the other day, and it was. Okay, we were in the band room Thursday. Was that the? We had an early out.
Yep.
We didn't have school Friday.
No, there wasn't
And-
Friday.
We were in the band room, and I went from my study hall to go to the band room to see Mr. Barker, and like a whole group of like people that I know that are in band. Like we're all in there, and they were listening to like these goofy songs, and it was like we were listening to the laughs, and Taylor and Nate were like laughing and like trying to like impersonate Goofy, and I couldn't like laugh that deep.
Gosh.
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 It wasn't possible.
You couldn't do it?
No! I was like, my throat.
Try it. Try now.
I was like, gosh. But there was like 2 songs that we listened to that Goofy was singing. I can't remember what they were, but it was funny. We always have a good time in the band room, 9th period.
That's awesome. Oh, I know what the that's Woody Woodpecker.
I didn't know that.
I'm doing it in Goofy's voice. I'm like going.
Poor cows.
That's Woody Woodpecker. That's funny. I just recognized that I was doing Woody Woodpecker there.
It sounded like Goofy.
Well, I was doing it in Goofy's
I know.
voice, but it doesn't make it his laugh.
Gosh.
Gosh.
My throat closes.
Winter storm warning.
Take it.
Nope. People were like driving on the middle of the road.
Yeah.
We keep ending up going on those middle divots.
But you can't even see the road right now, so there's 2 lines.
People are hugging it.
Way I used to don't
So I think we're gonna make some homemade pizza for
Yes,
dinner.
it was so good.
We're gonna go get some more pizza crust. We made some last night.
Me and my mom.
They were
went to
really
the
good,
store.
but we ate all the pizza crust and we have a whole bunch of toppings and sauce left. So we're gonna go get some pizza crust today, and that is our next stop before we go home for the night.
And then no school. So party. Fingers crossed. He probably wouldn't even call it off till like the middle of the night, and I'm mad. Or like 5 a.m. in the morning.
You won't call it off till the morning once he sees what unless it starts dumping on us tonight. Then he might do a 2-hour delay.
I don't want a 2-hour delay.
No, but at least the 2-hour delay, you know, you don't have to get up
Yeah.
early.
But it still messes with the schedule, like for school. It makes the day feel longer, to be honest. So I don't really like 2-hour delays because it I don't know, it just messes it up. Oh, whoops, that's my finger. let's get away from all the snow.
Yeah, let's go and find a job somewhere that will pay me $3 million a year and will allow us to live in like an island setting.
Oh my gosh. I want to fly my private jet to school. There's a person running to their barn. I don't know who lives there.
I don't either.
Not who lives there.
This is always the worst section of 169 because it's kind of higher up. They have the road higher up than the other parts of 169, and it like creates drifts across the road. There's like a 3-mile section. A lot of accidents over the years just in this 3-mile section because of the drifting.
Yeah. It's semi. It scares me whenever we're like.
Oh, here comes a plow truck.
How about everything's gonna be like it already all the snow he just like trying to like get off.
Just plowing off those drifts. This section is this is about a 3-mile section that's just rough. It's not in bad shape yet. The other side of the road coming from like if you're headed south, it gets drifted worse than going north.
Yeah. I hate driving to school in the snow. I like, oh my gosh.
You just gotta
It was
drive
like a
slow.
whiteout. I do drive slow, and I almost hit cars. I don't, okay.
You can't hit any cars.
There was one day where we had like a 2-hour delay, and there shouldn't have been school. Like, it was bad. But you agree though, right?
I know, yeah, I do. Yeah, it was bad.
I think so, anyways. I don't know. Dad didn't get in any car accidents when he drove the kids to school, so I almost hit a truck.
No, I didn't. But I drove slow and safe. Slow and safe. That's the key.
I drove slow too. Do you want to say goodbye?
Huh?
Do you want to say goodbye?
Peace. We'll see you a little later after we get our toilet seat put in. We'll show you our toilet seat.
Goodbye.